How to recover deleted chats on Instagram data recovery. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from Genie Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can actually recover deleted chats of Instagram on the data recovery when you're trying to download the information. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now say that you have a chat on Instagram and then the other person simply deleted it, or maybe you deleted it, but you want to get all those messages and everything back. In that case, the only way to is download all of your information on Instagram ever. So in order to do that, what you have to do is just first of all come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon from the top right, go to the settings option, and once you go to settings, in a search box you just want to type in download, and here you'll find download your information. So just tap on download the information. Now it says get a copy of what you have shared on Instagram. We will email you a link to a file with your photos, comments, profile information and more, even including chats. It may take up to 14 days to collect this data and send it to you. So keep in mind that this process is not instant, because if you're downloading information, Instagram has lots of data about you, and if you want to download all of those data, it may take at least 14 days to reach back to you. So you can just select the option called request download. Now in order to confirm it, you have to go ahead and then simply enter your password. Once you enter your password, you can tap on the next button and you will receive a copy of all of your data, and in it you'll also be able to find all those chats. Hope this video cleared your confusion, but also keep in mind that if you chat with a person on a disappearing or a vanish mode, even Instagram itself is not going to keep that data. So if you're chatting with someone on a vanish mode, you'll not be able to do it. Only if you chat them on a regular mode and then you go ahead and delete those messages, only then will you be able to recover those messages. Hopefully this video cleared the confusion. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.